This is a lecture video for section 5.5, video 7. As I mentioned at the beginning of the section 5.5, in this section we're not only going to talk about double angle identities, we're also going to have one more identities to talk about it. It's two more, but they are related. So the first one is talking about product to sum identities. So the product to sum identities is or are cosine of A times cosine of B. So we have a product. Well, becomes to 1/2 of cosine of A plus B plus cosine of A minus B. Okay, so I can break a multiplication of two sine or two cosine or multiple sine and cosine to become summation or addition or subtraction between two sine cosine function. So this is the first one. The second one we have is sine of A times sine of B is equal to 1/2 of cosine of A minus B minus cosine of A plus B. Next one, sine of A cosine of B equals to 1/2 of sine of A plus B plus sine of A minus B. Last one, cosine of A sine of B equal to 1/2 of sine of A plus B minus sine of A minus B. For this set of formulas, also the one come to the next videos, you do not need to memorize them. You can use them. You can use them in your homework, in your exams. I'm not going to require you to memorize them. Okay, so go back to the example we have. It's not going to fit in the same. If I need it, I will switch my screen. So the example we have is I have expression of 6 times sine of 40 degree times sine of 15 degree. I want to write it as a sum or difference of two functions. From the example we have is sine. So first 6 sine of 40 degree sine of 15 degree. First we can ignore the 6. It's just a number multiplied to the trig functions. So it's not really too important. So what we have a format of sine of some angle times sine of some angle. So that means we're going to use the sine of A times sine of B formula, where A and B is 40 degree and 15 degree. So 6 times sine of 40 degree times sine of 15 degree will becomes to 6 multiplied by, you apply the formula that 1/2 cosine of A 40 degree minus B 15 minus cosine of A plus B 40 plus 15. 6 times 1/2 cosine of 25 minus cosine of 55 simplify them, we got 3 times cosine of 25 minus cosine of 55. Since we want two functions, so I do not want the cosine, the parentheses. So my answer is 3 times cosine of 25 degree minus 3 times cosine of 55 degree.